Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your order on your Nike account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nike.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Nike website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you can browse through the various different products that are on display. Now, after you add any item to your bag, you will need to click on the checkout option in order to proceed with making your purchase, as well as your payment. After filling up your delivery address, as well as your billing information and your payment information as well, you will need to click on the place order button in order to finalize your payment and place your order. Now, if you have placed an order for your product and you wish to check the status and track your order, then just click on the account icon at the top right and then click on orders. Now, within this page, you will see all of the orders that you have placed on your Nike account, and the most recent ones will be at the very top. Alongside each order, you will also be able to see the status and the tracking options, which will allow you to track the status of your package. You may also gain further assistance from the help option by clicking on order status. And by getting in touch with the support team, you will be able to get a more accurate response and a clear idea of when the product will arrive. And there you have it. That is how you can track your orders on your Nike account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.